Coming up on the third annual Medicine Immersion Day, and we have Dr. Richard Ferguson, the president and founder of Black Physicians of Utah, and Scott Robertson, the president of Intermountain Alta Hospital in Sandy. Thank you so much for being here.
Thank you for having us, Ray. It's nice to see you.
Let's talk about the important event that is coming up, why representation is everything.
So representation is important because healthcare outcomes can improve if receiving care from someone that looks like you. There's often increased cultural competency, but also there is a less likelihood that someone's medical complaint or concern will be more likely dismissed, but there's an increased chance of compliance. And so this has been shown in recent research and studies, and part of why Medicine Immersion Day is important is to show a path for Black and marginalized youth in Utah that they can be physicians, that they can go into the field of medicine. And that's really what this day is about.
And Scott, this event is happening at your hospital at Alta View in Sandy. Let's talk about the event itself and why you decided to partner with the doctor.
Yeah, thank you for asking. There are so many reasons why Intermountain Health is sponsoring and partnering with Black Physicians of Utah. A couple that I'll just quickly point out. Intermountain will always be first and foremost about outcomes and providing excellent care to our community. And like Dr. Ferguson mentioned, when people can receive care from people that they resonate with, who look like them, understand their culture, their outcomes are better. So we're interested in partnering with that to help broaden our diverse pool of physicians in the community. The second quick one is about social determinants of health. So much of how we experience life and our health outcomes are based on what our life is like. And we know that education and vocation are huge contributors to those social determinants of health. So if we can inspire Black youth to do more and get more education, then we think that their outcomes will be better.
Well, Dr. Ferguson, this is a win-win for our community. Let's talk about the event. What can we expect?
Yeah, so it starts at 8 a.m. That'll be registration, a little bit of breakfast. We'll have a keynote speaker, and then we'll go right into a quick panel on why diverse representation in medicine is important. And then we'll split all the students into rotations throughout Alta View, particularly in OB-GYN, emergency medicine department, general surgery, anesthesia, and then we will then return back with hands-on skill stations represented in those specialties. And then from there, a job fair for entry-level positions to become competitive applicants for that next step, medical school.
Ooh, who is this for?
It's for Black and marginalized youth in Utah, so the whole state, particularly ages 16 to 25.
All right, registration. The event is coming up very quickly, so how can we register?
Yeah, go to bpou.org or the bio on our Instagram. But once again, bpou.org, registration $7, or we'll give you a demo code.